So we are experiencing Typhoon Kiko that resumes its intensification over the Philippine Sea east of Central Luzon. The center of the eye of Typhoon Kiko was located based on all available data at 785 km east of Baler, Aurora. Maximum sustained winds of 185 km per hour near the center, gustiness of up to 230 km per hour, and central pressure of 935 HPA. Its movement is westward at 20 km per hour. Strong winds or higher extend outwards up to 180 km from the center. Beginning tomorrow evening, heavy to intense with at times torrential rains due to the typhoon may be experienced over Batanes, Cagayan, including Babuyan Islands and the northern Isabela. Moderate to heavy with at times intense rains may also be experienced over Batanes and the rest of Isabela. Under these conditions, scattered to widespread flooding, including flash floods, and rain-induced landslides are possible, especially in areas that are highly or very highly susceptible to the hazard as identified in hazard maps. Winds reaching strong breeze to near gale in strength, with occasional gusts will be experienced within 36 hours within the areas where Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal or TCWS number 1 is in effect. This may result up to the very light damage to structures and vegetations. However, it must be noted that as the typhoon progresses towards extreme northern Luzon, higher wind signals will be hoisted in some localities within northern Luzon. Based on latest track and identified forecast, TCWS number 4 remains the highest wind signal that will be hoisted for this typhoon. Due to strength of this typhoon, coastal inundation associated with high waves near the coast and storm surge may affect coastal municipalities in northern Luzon. The public and disaster managers, especially those in localities of northern Luzon, are advised to monitor for updates. The next 24 hours, moderate to very rough seas initially and becoming rough to very rough seas will prevail over the eastern seaboard of northern Luzon. Sea travel is risky for most sea vessels over these waters. Mariners without the proper experience should immediately seek safe harbor. Due to the strength of this tropical cyclone, sea conditions over the aforementioned waters will further worsen tomorrow, making sea travel risky for all types of seacrafts. Moderate to rough seas will be experienced over the northern seaboard of northern Luzon and eastern seaboard of central Luzon. Mariners of small seacraft are advised to take precautionary measures when venturing out of sea. Inexperienced mariners should avoid navigating in these conditions. Kiko is forecast to continue intensifying and may reach a peak intensity between 185 to 205 km per hour tomorrow evening while passing close to mainland northern Luzon and over the Babuyan Islands. Weakening is forecast to begin by Sunday as the typhoon passes closest to and begins to interact with the rugged terrain of